What else was I going to mention? Oh, that's it, on the taxiway centre lines, down towards the bottom, you may notice what these intersection pieces. What's all that about? Well, let's go down, find an intersection, and where I can show that off. So I'm coming down here. So in this sort of location, you might have a taxiway centre line coming round. So round from this point here, round into there, and that, of course, is joining on with another taxiway centre line that's going along here like that. So I've done those two items, but the problem is when you get to that sort of joining, you get the black overlapping the yellow, and you don't really want them to do that. I know obviously I should have drawn that a bit better, so it wouldn't have stuck out there. But even if I'd drawn that better, you still have that bit where the yellow and the black doesn't quite work because I've just drawn the lines together. So the way Aero works on this is it expects you to draw not the intersection part, but the other bits separately to the intersection. And I will go to probably this one where it's got a left joining piece, and I'll draw along here, something like that, and it creates a little piece. It reminds me of me playing with an Ormby Railway when I was a kid. It's like that's the set of points, and all I have to do now is draw the other line away from that. And if I'm super accurate and type N for the object snap there, and I'll go N for that object snap. You can see it's joined them on there quite happily. And the thing about that joining piece is the yellow's okay. Now normally I would probably start with the joining piece and then I would draw away from it with the lines, right, because it's easy to start with that joining piece and then just draw that away. But you can see how that end point and the other object snaps work with our objects just the same as they would work with polylines. They're all there and you can draw that away from that joining piece, and the yellow looks lovely on the joining, and the other lines have joined in there quite nicely.